Yo, I can't believe we got tickets for the grand opening. Dang, look at... Oh, what the frick is that thing? Oh yeah, yo, I have to go to the bathroom. Dang, I hate kids. They keep on saying monkey because they're too addicted to that monkey game in the arcade.
Who's there?
I'm taking you. Get over here. Dang, he's heavy. What the heck? Come on. Follow me. Unless... Now, I have to end you. What? What? Okay, I better get out of here before someone sees this DNA. The cameras probably saw me. Luckily, I'm wearing some stuff. Go with my friend. What the? I could have swore I just saw my friend. What are you doing? Thought you were at the arcade. Come on, let's go back to the arcade. Come on. Go back to the arcade. Yo, what is this? Purple blood? Oh no. I think I'm interacting with his ghost. I need to get out of here. Project 1 on making a good arcade game. Okay, as soon as you start turning on, it will start. 3, 2, 1, turn it on. Wait, that's not supposed to happen. Is it entering the real world? Wait, the character shouldn't be working like this. Oh no, I gotta get out of here. Where'd the character go? Why do I have it start? I don't care, but I'm getting out of here. Cause Rose right. I gotta make the perfect arcade machine. Well, I could probably recover him. Oh no, he's perfectly fine now. What about some dinosaur chase? Yay. Everyone loves dinosaur chase. Yeah, I definitely have to help him. His neck. Okay. We're good, okay. Let me put the suit on. Okay, activate dinosaur chase in 3, 2. Where's the thing? Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh! Ooh, that's not safe. Let me get his neck back together. Okay, well, there's only one more I've left to try. This guy. Okay, turn it on in 3, 2, 1. Wait, turn it off. Turn it off! Okay. We finally have our final project. The only problem we have now is we're gonna have to wait about 10 years before we can get the arcade building and stuff. That's pretty much about it. I'm gonna program this suit to be better. Dang, I didn't know we had an extra of these. Yeah, these keep on glitching. I don't like how they're glitching. Hey, maybe we can use the suit for something else. Something else could come in handy. But definitely not this guy. Maybe we could program a superhero. Since we have 2 suits, we may be able to create a 2-player game. The thing I don't like about them is they kind of feel weird. I hope no one gets trapped in one of these things. This feels very, very real. It replicates the whole entire place. What? Oh, what the heck are you thinking? Get over here! Whoa, what the? I don't care. Wait, where'd this arcade come from? What's happened to this place? What? What the? Why am I going through him? Oh, my hand hurts now. Wait, what is this? Wait, isn't this the same thing we just made? I gotta get out of here. God, that's all I know of him. He turned blue and then his color code. Cop, I swear that's all the information I know about him. He was hallucinating and then his color code turned white. I swear that's all I know. You know what? No. Go over here. Crap. I think he's behind me. What? Let me end you now. The perfect place to hide the body. Let me get this body first. What? Open the fridge and put them in. And now run. Now run. Finally, I found the spot to hide all the bodies.